Annie loves Felicity. You can give kisses. Annie, you can give baby kiss. You're lucky she's not grabbing your tail. Where you going, Felicity? Today is May 13th. Oh, where are you taking Sherman the wormin? Where are you taking your worm? Where are you taking him? Yeah? Oh, there you go. Oh my goodness, there you go. Crawling on your hands and knees. Good girl. Good girl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now you're crawling to something you're not supposed to, but you're crawling on your hands and knees. Yay. Good girl. Shake, 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 shake that worm.